Understanding Under Someone's Wing, a guide to mentorship and protection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and expressive phrase, under someone's wing. This phrase is rich in imagery and carries a deep meaning about guidance, care, and mentorship. So, let's explore together what it means to be under someone's wing and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, under someone's wing, originates from the natural behavior of birds protecting their young. When a bird takes its young under its wing, it provides them with safety, warmth, and protection. Similarly, in the English language, this phrase metaphorically means to take someone under your care, offering them guidance, protection, and support. It's often used in contexts where an experienced individual helps a less experienced person navigate through challenges or new experiences. To help you fully grasp how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, when I first joined the company, the manager took me under his wing, showing me the ropes and helping me settle in. 2. In education, the senior student took the new exchange student under her wing, helping her adjust to the new school environment. 3. In personal relationships, my aunt took me under her wing after I moved to the city, making sure I felt at home. These examples show that being under someone's wing can happen in various settings where mentorship, guidance, and protection are needed. When using under someone's wing, remember that it's best suited for contexts where there's a clear helper and a receiver of help. Here are a few tips. Use it to express gratitude towards someone who has guided you. I wouldn't have made it this far without being under her wing. Mention it when offering support. If you're feeling overwhelmed with the new project, I'm here to take you under my wing. It's a beautiful way to acknowledge the protective and guiding role someone has played in your life or to offer the same support to someone else. Under someone's wing is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid expression of mentorship, care, and protection. Whether you're the one providing guidance or the one receiving it, this phrase beautifully captures the essence of support and growth. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use under someone's wing confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to help you fly high in your English learning journey.